Ka kitea ki te tonga ko tāku rau tira e iti ka hurangi e. Papa ki kau ana ki runga te maunga aorangi e koro e. Tu ana ki te rangi e ke ana ki te papa ko tāku turanga e. Ko te Waipounamu ko tahu potiki tāku tupuna e.
Oh, kia ora koutou. Tonight we're at Ōtākou Marae and we're just finishing up our second ever Ngāi Tahu Reo Māori Awards. I think it's really important to reflect upon the achievements that have been made by those who are driving our Māori language revitalisation within the iwi, and to take the time to acknowledge and celebrate along the way.
Ngāi Reo Award winner for 2013 is Henare Te Ake.
He's shown his capability in teaching and learning and worked hard to not only strengthen his own language but also the language of others.
Te tautohito o te reo is awarded to someone who has shown leadership and excellence in teaching.
And the winner of this category for the 2013 Ngāi Tahu Reo Awards, Lynn Harata Te Ake. She has been involved in so many different reo initiatives here in the Christchurch area, from setting up Tuahiri School as the huge bilingual success it is today, to Waipounamu through the College of Education, and now influencing te reo development at Canterbury University.
The Te Puna o Te Ki category is awarded to Ngāi Tahu Kaumatua, someone who has shown leadership and provided inspiration.
Edward has relied on heavily here at Ōtākou to sit on the pipeline, but at the same time he will don his gumboots after the waipōrero and go and fix the water.
Te Tani Whahikuroa is an open category and open to anyone, and it's awarded to someone who has contributed significantly and shown leadership in te reo within Te Waipounamu.
Ko te tō o tēnei tohu, ko Mr. Komere Cassidy.
I don't know many other ngāpuhi who would have stood as we greeted or have been cheered on the way that you cheered me on today. And I'm sure my ngāpuhi relations will be looking at me going, yeah, man.
Ruahine Crofts Award was a closed category, and the winner of this particular award was selected by the KMK judging panel alongside the Crofts whānau. And in honour of Auntie Ruahine Crofts, that award recognised contribution in composition in te reo.
And we'd like to present this award to Charisma Rangipuna.
Auraki Matatu, this award, the recipient of this award is someone who has contributed to the revitalisation not only of te reo within Ngāi Tahu, but Ngāi Tahu specific reo.
Nō reira, for the Ngāi Tahu 2013 Reo Awards, the winner of the Auraki Matatu Award, Tahu Pōti.
The message that we got from Tipene so long ago, Katai, we can do this. And I think without that sort of leadership and that sort of faith, then we just could have disappeared. But we didn't. We're up, proud, strong. Auraki Matatu. Kia ora tātou.
We also gave the opportunity to each Papatipu marae to nominate their own marae champion of te reo within their community. And So this year we had 13 recipients, and those people, by and large, are those who keep the home fires burning within their whānau, within their hapu, on their marae.
Ko te Waipounamu, ko tahu pōtiki, taku tupuna